it's really wonderful. In fact, I had not known about servant leadership until I joined here. Of course, they might have different names in different organizations. Oh yes, absolutely, not just UST, any organization it's going to work. Because the key focus I see here is servant leadership is more of a people focused.
Absolutely.
And you work in any organization, any team, any domain, it's all about people. So I think that's a perfect mix here. Yeah, that's what, as I said, every organization or any kind of domain, they need to adopt this leadership style because for good or bad, I think more organizations are focusing on revenues or anybody focusing on revenue. So revenue should be a byproduct, but the focus should be on people because people are the one who is going to bring you that revenue. So absolutely every organization should adopt it.
Yeah.
You are asking this question a bit late because after attending the day one workshop last night, the first thing I went and did it was I sent to the whole team that everyone should attend this workshop so that at least they understand the importance of values and culture and how to put people first.